Love, someone caught away, man. The shit I'm cooking, know you got a taste, fam.
Hi guys, I look rough, but today I'm going from pink lemonade to orange is the new black. I'll be using Adore Orange Blaze and Sunrise Orange. So I'm going to start applying the color to the tips of my hair. I tried to leave some of the blonde where you can see it. So what I did was I alternated between the two colors. So every other section of my hair, every other piece of my hair was the sunrise, and then the other part was the orange blaze. Please keep in mind that these Adore colors are semi-permanent, so these will wash out and I will probably switch my color again, but I wanted to let you all see how I color my hair and how I change my hair color. You do not have to be a pro to do this, but when you are doing this, be sure that you wear gloves so you do not stain your hand, and take your time to apply the color. Now, in order for me to achieve this color, remember that my hair has been previously lifted by a professional. It took me about 30 minutes to apply this color to my hair, maybe less than that. Of course, I cut a lot of this out of the video. So now I'm showing you my entire head, what we look like. And now it is time for the big reveal. I have washed and deep conditioned my hair. This is what it looks like after I am all done. I'm loving the different hues of orange, and this is the final product. If you want to see how I got this final style, please stay tuned. I will post a video on what products I use. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys soon.